Yeah. The boiler's not straight.
No, it's not. It's that piece of wood's not straight.
Don't worry about it. Not he said.
I'm not worried about it. It said it was level on the bracket. Drop down on the right. Well, I'm trying to get this off then.
You need it off.
I need it off. Can't have it not level.
It looks alright here. Hey.
It looks alright from my hand. I can't. I'm sorry, Pete, I can't. There's that's level. Okay, well, we'll just drop it down there. Yeah, that's fucking level. Put boiler on. Boiler. And it needs to drop down a little bit. Yeah. There we go.